In this video, I'll show you how to make NVIDIA graphics card run better. So the first thing that you can do is to go ahead and search for GeForce Experience on your Windows Start menu. So this application is actually available for those devices with an NVIDIA graphics card. So simply search for that here and then click on that to be able to open the app. So open GeForce Experience, and then once you open it, you'll need to sign into your account. So sign into your account, and once you're signed into your account, head over into the drivers tab and click on check for updates and install any available updates. So another thing that you can do to make your NVIDIA graphics card run better is to go ahead and optimize your Windows power settings. So let's just close all of this tab first. So as you can see, this is the GeForce Experience application that you can use for your NVIDIA graphics card to run better and to easily incorporate it with your control panel. So the first thing that you'll need to do to optimize your Windows power setting is to open Control Panel. Under Control Panel, go ahead and click on Power Options. So I'll simply click on System and Security since I can't find it in here. In here, click on Power Options and then select High Performance Mode from here and disable unnecessary background apps on the Task Manager. And that's basically how you can do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.